Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Katie. I'm so glad you joined me today. If you are new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our videos. Today I'm going to be talking about my new t-shirt club. So I have a brick and mortar store in Louisville, Kentucky. I primarily focus on embroidery. We also do alterations, but once you start one thing, it kind of snowballs into the next. So I first started sewing many years ago, started doing alterations. That led into embroidery. That led me into doing it for a business. And then I transferred or added in, not transferred, in vinyl. And then we added in sublimation and heat press and all kinds of fun stuff. So it all kind of ties together. It's just different ways that we can personalize items for our customers. And my latest thing that we are doing is our t-shirt club. So we started last month taking orders, and we just shipped out our first t-shirt for our monthly subscription for Katie's T-shirt Club. And you will get one of our cute new t-shirts every month. It'll ship out at the end of the month for the following month. So the September shirt was shipped out the end of August. This was our very first t-shirt. This super cute little pumpkin design that says fall on it. Really love it. We use all unisex sizing, so it's very easy for sizing. But t-shirts are just so fun and easy, and everybody loves them, so we wanted to do something fun. So all of our designs are going to be exclusive to our club members. They aren't available on our website or in the store, and they are a little bit cheaper than the ones that we sell on a regular basis. So we have now getting ready to ship out, or we're putting together our second t-shirt, and I just thought I would do a quick video and show you how we make some of them. We're doing sublimation and transfers, so a little bit of everything. So I have with me, this is going to be the t-shirt for, I guess, October, which will go out the end of September 2020 here. We're doing this beautiful burgundy wine color as a v-neck t-shirt. So I know a lot of people love v-necks, so I just thought I would do a v-neck sooner than later. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on the heat press. And I'm going to go ahead and put this down and just press it for a few seconds, get all the moisture out of it. It also helps iron the shirt, so it keeps it nice and smooth. Then I have our transfer. This is going to be the design. This is a heat press transfer that we use. So all of our t-shirts are going to be a little bit different. Some will be done with our sublimation, some will be vinyl, some will be with our screen print transfers. So this is a screen print transfer. It's just a different process than the actual screen printing machines with the inks and everything. So if you're just doing smaller things, this is a different way we're doing it. So what I will do is I'm going to fold my transfer. I'm going to put a little crease in the paper. That just tells me where that center is. And because it's a V-neck, I'm going to put my design right at the bottom of the V, because V-necks are down further, so I don't want it too low, because then that pushes that design even further down. And this is a pretty tall design too, so it's going to cover most of the shirt. So I'm going to lay that there, and I need to check my time. I was doing another project. Okay, so I have my temperature for this particular design set at 330, and it's going to press for 10 seconds. I'm going to lock it down. Going to count it down. It'll start beeping and it will pop open. And it is a hot peel, so that means as soon as it opens, I can go ahead and peel this paper off. This one little corner did not want to stay down, so I'm going to press it one more time. I usually don't have too much of an issue, but we're going to press it one more time just to make sure. That's why you don't want to rip it off. I just kind of slowly peel to make sure everything is staying put. And if it doesn't look like it's gonna come off easily, then I just lay it back down and press it, and everything did great. And this is going to be our second t-shirt for our t-shirt club. And that's how we make our t-shirts with our heat press transfers. So if you are interested in joining our t-shirt club, just head over to my website, which is socutebykatie.com. And then right there on that top tab is a little tab that says Katie's T-Shirt Club. Just click right there. You'll select your size and you'll be in the club, and you will receive your t-shirts. It is billed on a monthly basis on the 10th of every month, and then you'll receive your t-shirt. They get shipped out at the end of the previous month for the next one. So the September shirt will be sent out the end of September for October. Maybe I said that wrong. So the October shirt will be sent out at the end of September. So I'm super excited. It's just a fun little thing you can do for yourself. Treat yourself to a new t-shirt. I've had a couple people actually that are gifting it to someone. So if you know somebody that loves t-shirts, we're going to be doing holiday designs, inspirational designs, just really fun, girly, cutesy designs. So if you want to gift it to somebody, you can sign them up, and then they'll get a new t-shirt, something fun they can wear every month. So I hope you're excited. I'm super excited to show this off and just wanted to share how we make it. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. If you want to get notified for our videos, be sure to hit the little bell icon on YouTube here and hit that subscribe button so you know when we have new videos. Have a good one, and I will see you soon.